Elevate your presentations. ChatGPT makes slides better in minutes. PowerPoint is not enough. ChatGPT can make your slides better. Here's how to make presentations in minutes. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. Open http://chat.openai.com on browser. Start a new chat and type in the below prompt. Prompt: You are an expert role. Write an outline for a PowerPoint presentation, no of slides, on your topic. Focus on the benefits of your theme. Step 2. Generate VBA for PowerPoint. Enter the prompt to generate the PowerPoint code. Prompt: Now write all the VBA code to create the PowerPoint slides for this deck. The text should be centered on the slides and aligned to the left. Step 3. Make the PowerPoint. To create the PowerPoint slides. 1. Press Alt plus F11 on Windows. 2. Or Option plus F11 on Mac. Click Insert and select Module. Paste the code and click the play button. Your slides will generate themselves. Step 4. Personalize your slides. It looks boring, don't worry. Click on the Designer option. Choose a layout that suits your needs. Boom! You've completed your slideshow, smiley face.